Hey everyone, this is Genesis from the Genesis Way, and today I'm going to do another unboxing, this time for the Dr. Miracles product line. I'm so excited for this video because since I started my curly hair journey, it's been kind of a struggle for me to find products that I like and that I enjoy, and I'm also just worried most of the time that it's not going to work and it's going to ruin my hair. So I actually won this gift set from a giveaway that Felicia Lachelle hosted on her Instagram. So I'm very excited to see what's in here and just see each product and see what they have, and I also have the website here to kind of like look into it. So let's just get right into it. So I'm so excited. Ooh, such a pretty box. It has like I feel like it has 4 products in here, so let's just take this one out. The Temple and Nape Grow Balm Super. It's like a reinforcer. Oh my gosh, I really like it. It basically contains aloe vera and wheat protein, which aloe vera is really good for your hair. It stimulates hair growth, and also it just leaves your hair very, very soft. Basically, you can just massage it into the temple and nape right here, and also like the back of your hair, the head, directly into the scalp to help strengthen and maintain hairline health. They said you should use it at least twice daily for 30 days so you can see the results. Ooh, it smells like really minty. I like that. It has like it's a balm, so it has a balm kind of like texture to it. So for the next one, ooh, it's a daily moisturizing raw oil. Let me see. I just want to open it real quick to see how it smells. Wow, it smells delicious. So it has aloe vera and avocado, which avocado is great for your hair. It's a great moisturizer. It says that works on dry or damp hair. It also says that it's good for hot oil treatments, as you know, hot oil treatments are great to increase the blood circulation on your scalp. I also see here that it's blended with vitamins A, D, and E, and as I already said, avocado and aloe vera. So I'm also very, very interested. I have never had a hot oil treatment, so I'm definitely gonna start with this and basically see how my hair changes with it. So the next product that I see here is a Hot Grow Hair and Scalp Treatment Super. It has aloe, shea butter, and jojoba oil. Did I say that? And it's for healthy hair growth and shine. So I'm seeing right here in the website, it says use daily for moisturizing and conditioning of hair and scalp. And basically you just apply Hot Grow Hair and Scalp Treatment Super directly to scalp and massage gently. Ooh, this also smells like a little minty. I like it. And it also has like it's like a little more, it's a harder texture. Kind of like a balm. I like it because it seems that they're gonna last a lot. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna take photos of my hair and see how it goes. The last product in this box is the Intensive Spot Serum. It says that it's blended with peppermint oil and the essential vitamins needed to help and dry patches, split ends, and fight excessive breakage. Here is a new scent, so let's smell it real quick. It smells like peppermint oil. Oh, that I love it. I like that very much. It says for best results, use twice a day. First, small amount onto your hands and gentle massage into trouble spots. So this is more towards areas on your hair that have like a lot of issues. So I have like a part here of my hair that got burned really badly one time that I was like blow drying my hair. So I already know that this is for that specific. It's for spots in your scalp that have issues. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, on Instagram. Let me know on the comments if you want to see something different, like what do you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye!